Hello everyone and welcome. In this easy tutorial I will show you step by step how to change your profile picture on Letterboxd. So guys, your profile picture is just like on any other website. When the person goes to your profile, let me for example open up my profile like this. So as you can see I don't have any, so when they go they can just see your profile and the rest of the info, activity, films, diary, etc. So they will just see. So basically make sure to choose a photo. And then guys, after that, just navigate and hover your mouse over your nickname on the website and go to the settings. And after that, there are various settings in here, but you need the third one, the third tab, which is called avatar. And in here, you can just either drag and drop the image in here or select the avatar. So let me just do this. Okay, it's now uploading, done pretty quickly actually. And as you can see, you can just change the focus of your avatar. So maybe if you have your face on top or something, you can just go up. In my case, I will just do like this, save avatar. And now you're pretty much done, guys. Just wait a bit. Okay, your avatar has been updated. And now if I go to my profile, as you can see, my avatar is already visible here. If I go to profile, now my avatar appears here. So enjoy, guys. Pretty easy. If you liked the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.